And this is, we call this.
It's a normal street ice cream.
Yeah.
And it's very sweet.
Lickable. You can see it. Just $100 each.
Hey, good.
I swear.
Money good.
Fine house.
Poverty, I always speak.
Jesus.
You know, go better for poverty. Guys, we need to see house.
Oh my God.
Like, we need to see mansion. Mansion.
If say this my uncle go fit come do this kind of my uncle will get money. He come leave me, I can't carry phone, the video something.
How we do they suffer? They drink garri with groundnut.
Oh my God.
Come add salt on top of them.
Go to go meet them. No, now what you do now?
So welcome back, guys, and we are here in Abaka Road, one of the beautiful GRA we have here in Abia State. All thanks to our present governor, Dr. Alex Choma Oti. He's a godsend, and we are here to show you guys the some of the buildings. And guys, you don't want to know the prices, like the prices, both the house rent and they have houses here for rent, and you can as well buy it, but your money killer. So let's go and show you that. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. So let's go.